Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur, and I've got a really cool announcement today. Much to my surprise, because I actually thought you had to have more subscribers to be able to do this, YouTube has invited me to become a partner of the YouTube Membership Club. Now, what is the YouTube Membership Club? Well, this is a little feature that YouTube has been doing for their creators where if you really like my content and you really like what I do, you can actually give little bits of money and get tiered rewards that I can provide for you. It helps financially support this channel. It gives you more great content. And like I said, I thought you had to have a lot more subscribers and views to get it, but apparently they really liked what I was doing, so they offered it to me. And I cannot be more than excited to be offering you this feature. So what does this work like? Well, it works a lot like Patreon, where you as a viewer, as a visitor, as a guest, whatever term you want to use, I kind of consider everyone to be my extended friend, so to speak. You can give money if you like my content and you want to see more like it. However, by giving money, you also get special perks. You will get little badges in the live chats. You can get access to early videos. You can have it so that I follow you on, and in some tiers, we will even have it where you can request that I make certain videos on certain topics that you want to hear about. It doesn't even have to be rideshare or e-commerce or gig economy or streaming wars related. It can pretty much be whatever you want. Now, of course, if you don't want to give any money, that's perfectly fine. All the content that I make is still going to be made available. It's just with you paying now, people who actually pay to be a member of one of the clubs, well, you will get more content and more special features. We'll also be able to do things like exclusive live streams that's just for members, and playing games together, and maybe even live streaming that on like Final Fantasy XIV or Phantasy Star Online 2, things like that. At this point, some of you may ask, well, what about Patreon then? Where does Patreon fit into this? Well, here's the thing. Patreon will still be there for those who want to give for Patreon. However, I have matches that the rewards are very, very similar. So regardless whether you're doing it through YouTube or Patreon, you will get the same benefits and the same perks and the same rewards. It's entirely optional, and hey, you don't have to do it. That's fine. I just love doing this. But if you want to give that little extra, feel free to do so, and I will make it worth your while so that you get extra stuff that people don't get. Starting January 1st, we'll be starting what I am affectionately dubbing as Apptrepreneur 2.0. There's going to be a new format, and we're going to be doing a lot more stuff here. And when you see it, you will understand where your finances have gone to support the show. You will see that there are being upgrades and that we are going to be doing a heck of a lot more, and I'm looking forward to what you have to say about it. You'll be able to see exactly where your money is going and what it's been going towards and how it is improving the channel, and I can't wait to show you what that all looks like. Right now we have several tiers. We have Apptrepreneur Club Bronze, Gold, Silver, I think Guild, and Elite. We didn't have enough characters for Platinum or Diamond, so that's why we have interesting names later on down the road. Whatever one you want to support, I humbly thank you, and I will do my best to make sure that your money is well spent. Whatever tier you decide to join or not join is entirely up to you. I'm extremely grateful one way or the other. And we're going to leave it there. Thank you so much for making it possible. I did not realize when I was uploading that first video where I just had a rant I wanted to say and I just sent it out there that we would be at this point in time where I'm actually being asked to have like memberships on YouTube and I have like thousands of followers. It's been quite a humbling experience. So thank you so much for helping this all become a reality. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.